Well, well, well. Looks like Mum was hiding a snowstorm in that beanbag.
You ready? Easy, ready?
Subtle hint? Nah. Subtle is for cats. Here I jump. Seems like this dog's got a new favorite hobby, ice fishing.
Yeah.
When my nephew says, "Look what I can do," Legend says he's still trying to eat apricot.
No.
Well, someone's got a mud obsession. Round 2, here I come. When a city pug is suddenly dropped in the wilderness.
She's so brave, she's well behaved, she is not afraid.
Little She's planning his next tanning session. Don't disturb, please. All it takes to summon this two-headed Cerberus.
Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quite alright. Yeah, actually, she specifically said not to do this, but LOL, what can you do?
Guys, look! My dog thinks he's a flamingo dancer.
Well, mean boys don't get pets. No, mean boys don't get pets. You can't force me to pet you. And did you say sorry?
The secret behind this boy's slim body. That look I give my bestie when they say there's free drama. The pup is me after deciding to act ladylike and 5 minutes later.
So funny. What's Molly doing?
Business is business. All for ball. The cutest partnership ever, right? Who's hiding better, the dog or the child? Let us know in the comments. This is how we do hierarchy in the family. Good luck, Charlie.
Yes. Oh, but look at kitty weenies.
The reason why they said love is in the air, and on their foreheads.
He's such a good boy.
Yeah, it's not really.
I think Doggo's just trying to understand the plot. If you can't share ice cream, you're not even BFFs. The Winter Adventure Crew is here. Send your CV to join us. It's playdate a kid could ask for. This dog thinks it's the Navy SEALs of water protection. Tiny guy, no worries. Teaching my puppy that I'm hungry shake like.
Why?
Forget the spa, this pup's getting the positivity awesome treatment at home. 100% effective. I'm not sure who's training who here, but it's adorable though.
Be nice to Rook. Yeah, be nice. Yeah, be nice. Yeah, nice to.
This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.